Come take a tour of this $1.1 million Chatsworth home. As you approach this stunning valley home, the custom wrought iron front door sets the mood for the rest of the place. As soon as you step inside, you can't help but be taken back by the massive 12-foot foyer ceilings and completely open floor plan. This home is a tech enthusiast's paradise and is entirely smart home enabled. Turn down the air and turn up the music, all from an iPad. I love that there are 2 primary suites, and this one has a shower legitimately big enough for a basketball team to fit inside. Just look at this. This place is 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and standing at over 2,700 square feet. This is the kind of house you want to throw parties at, with its custom gloss cabinets, an oversized galley kitchen. I know who's hosting Christmas this year, baby. I'll see you there. But my favorite part has to be the lot. We are standing on just under 7,400 square feet, complete with turf, perfect for your summer barbecue. So who do you know looking to make a move? Share this video with someone you know shopping for a house.